today I am studying chapter 1 of class 4. Subject is computer and the chapter name is computer machine. Okay. So first our learning objectives. You always read the learning objectives. Okay. First is appreciate the concept of information processing by identifying information process of a child. Learn about various components of computer system and their interconnection, our computer work. Identify various components of a computer system as input device, output device, memory like primary and secondary memory, central processing unit, etc. So this chapter is too lengthy, so I am dividing this chapter in two videos. Okay. So first of all we recall the what is computer. First of all we know about the computer. We have read in class 3 also. So computer is an electronic machine, okay, which it is an electronic machine because it runs on electricity and it works in 3 steps, that is input, process and output. Okay. So first of all your activity is here, page number 1. You have to write the machine name and their needs. So simple, you write any machine's name like refrigerator, television, mixer and tape recorder or multimedia play music system, and you also write their needs. Like why we use television? We use television for watching movies, and we use refrigerator for cooling our things or keep fruits, vegetables. Okay, fresh. Okay. Next is there is one more activity, page number 2. You have to solve this riddle. Okay, this is a riddle given to you. Okay, after solving this riddle, there are 3 steps are given: step 1, step 2, step 3. So to solve any riddle, what we do first? Here we read the riddle first, then we think about it, है ना? We think about it and then we give our answer. We give our answer. So first we read the riddle, then we think and then give our answer. So do you know is given here, who is the father of computer? Yes, we all know, Charles Babbage. And next thing is information processing in humans. Here computer is related to a human body, just like CPU is like our brain. Okay, we have also an input device, our sense organ. They are like a input device, and output, as a result we are giving many things like कुछ हम बोल रहे हैं ना, तो that is output. To simple input, process and output, and it is compared with human being, input device, output device and a processing device. So page number 3, remember is written here, the command जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन, जो भी कमांड जो हम उसी को दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, कुछ करने को काम दे रहे हैं, गिवन टू द कंप्यूटर आर कॉल्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन. कमांड गिवन टू द कंप्यूटर, जो हम कमांड दे रहे हैं, जो भी है, सेव करना, ओपन करना, प्रिंट करना, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. द वैल्यूज ऑन व्हिच द कमांड्स आर टू बी परफॉर्म्ड आर कॉल्ड डाटा. डाटा कैन बी नंबर्स और वर्ड्स. देखो डाटा क्या होगा, नंबर्स भी हो सकता है, वर्ड्स भी हो सकता है. हम डाटा किसी भी तरह ले सकते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल हो, अल्फाबेटिकल हो, टेक्स्ट में हो. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर, व्हाट इज इनपुट? व्हाट इज इनपुट? तो ऑल डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन आर कॉल्ड इनपुट. जो भी हम डाटा कंप्यूटर को प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं, जो भी हमें काम कराना है, वो हमारा इनपुट हो गया. प्रोसेस, अब जिस तरीके से उसमें जो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करेगा, वो प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करेगा, तो वो उसको कौन हैंडल करता है? प्रोसेस में आ जा रहा है. एंड जो हमें रिजल्ट मिल रहा है लास्टली, दैट इज कॉल्ड आउटपुट. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव सम क्वेश्चन. we know that computer have different parts, है ना? So which part is known as input device? Keyboard, then mouse, है ना? Joystick also to play game, joystick. Okay, process is CPU. Then output we get output from printer, monitor, speaker also, we write here speaker also. Okay, so these are input device, these are called device, input device, processing device and output device. Okay, Now one more activity is, okay, one more thing. Do you know the first electronic computer ENIAC weighed more than 27 tons? तो जो हम लोग इसमें हमारे चैप्टर में तो नहीं दिया है, बट कंप्यूटर का जो जनरेशन है ना, फर्स्ट टू फाइव जनरेशन, तो जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन था वहां पर जो हम लोग जो एग्जांपल देखेंगे वो कौन, ENIAC, ठीक है, ENIAC है ये, ENIAC, ENIAC इज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर, ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन में ये हुआ था. ओके, इट्स फुल फॉर्म इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेटर एंड कंप्यूटर. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेटर एंड कंप्यूटर. ओके, इट्स फुल फॉर्म इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेटर एंड कंप्यूटर. So this is the first computer of first generation, and it is too heavy, too large. It means it is given here to 27 tons. It means really it is heavy. Okay, our activity is, next activity, page number 4. You have to write the machine name. I am giving one example. Input, then process and output. Okay, I am writing here one example. You have to write first machine name, how it works, first input. Okay, like I am taking television. First what we do, we switch on, then process, connecting to program, and then output we are watching program. So you write other machines name like refrigerator, iron, cooler, etc., AC, etc. Number 2, in order to perform the following task, what will be the input, process and output of the following for the computer? Okay, first you have the work is given here. You have to write what is input, what is process and what is output for this case. Typing number. So input is simple, the number what we are typing. Process, typing that process is called process, and output, typed number we get, that is output. Like print a picture, so first we press the keyboard or press the mouse to give this option, to give the print picture option, and then process printing, and output is we get the printed picture, we get the printed picture. Okay, now one more activity is here. We have to identify page number 5, figure it is given, and here you have to write the input device name, output device name and storage device name. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, input device, output device and storage device. Okay, so first is keyboard. First we have a keyboard is input device. Second we have a speaker is output device. Third we have hard disk is storage device. Fourth we have mouse is input. Next printer, output, joystick, input, then CD, storage device, compact disk. CD is also known as compact disk, its full form is compact disk. Then scanner is input. Headphone, output. Then monitor, it is also output. Okay. Next is pen drive, this is storage, and CPU we also write here storage. So this is your activity, page number 6. Okay, now we are doing same page number 6, keyboard. What is keyboard? So as we know, keyboard is used to type anything. We give instruction to the computer, we use it to give commands to the computer, or we type letters also. So there are different types of keyboard, which having some 104 keys, some keyboard having 108 keys, and their type is also different. Okay, so we are discussing next thing. Okay, one more activity is here. write the name of the input device that you use with your smartphone. With your smartphone, name of input device that you use with your smartphone. In your smartphone we have a input device, yes, that is touch screen. This is touch screen now. So activity, page number 7 activity, question number 1, answer is 1 number, answer is touch screen. Touch screen, the input is touch screen. Check your cell phone, okay, and find out the sequence of keys. Is it QWERTY? Yes, yes, it is QWERTY. In our cell phone we observe that our keyboard in the form of QWERTY, because the first letter Q W E R T Y, okay, that is QWERTY. Yes, answer is yes. Okay, this is a type of layout. QWERTY is a type of layout. Okay, next is one more option is given here. In our computer there is one option is given, that is virtual keyboard, which is very important for us when we are using online banking. For online banking purpose we use this thing, because online on screen or virtual keyboard, it is safe. Okay, we use the virtual keyboard to protect our password from being stolen, especially during net banking. So if you are using net banking, then you use on screen keyboard. It is given in your computer. You simply search on screen keyboard. Okay, go to search box and search on screen keyboard. Do you know Christopher Scholar is credited with keyboard layout that is used till date, that is QWERTY keyboard. So QWERTY layout, who credited this? Christopher Scholar. Okay, our next activity is page number 8. Use your imagination and list the things which you think you cannot do if there is no mouse. If there is no mouse, which type of work we are not able to do in our computer? So there are many things now, like first I am telling you drawing. We are not able to draw anything, we are not able to drag anything, we are not able to open anything easily. Okay, so you write these things. If there is no mouse is connected with our computer, then these things we are not able to do. Next is mouse. Mouse is a tiny device which is very useful for us, and it is also known as pointing device. It is also known as pointing device. Okay, a few years back there used to be a ball under the mouse. Now today we are using optical mouse, but few years ago we used a ball under the mouse. This ball used to track mouse movement. Okay, next is, who invented this mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Who invented this? Douglas Engelbart. Okay, next activity, page number 9, question number 1. Observe and find out which type of monitor is available in your computer lab. So there are different types of monitor, that is LED, TFT, LCD, CRT, okay, LED, TFT, LCD and CRT. Okay. Now the latest monitor which is invented, that its name is OLED. OLED. This is the latest monitor. Na? This is OLED. LED, TFT, LCD, CRT, OLED. These are the different types of monitor. Ask your parent about the type of monitor they have used when they were students. So tell your parents which type of monitor they have used in their when they are students. Find out the other frequently used name of monitor. So you write this monitor's name. Okay. Next is CPU. So as we know, CPU, central processing unit. CPU, central processing unit, and it is also known as brain of our computer. And overall work, जितने भी work है ना, चाहे वो कंट्रोल करना हो, माउस, कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, all are connected with CPU. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग कंट्रोल यूनिट भी बोल सकते हैं. क्यों? देखो इसमें कंट्रोल हो रहा है, सारा डिवाइस इससे कनेक्टेड किया हुआ है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट ALU. ALU why? Because all the processing work, arithmetical logical work, okay, all the arithmetical logical work, it also complete with this CPU. ठीक है, control unit we also call it ALU, arithmetical logical unit, and one more is MU memory unit. ठीक है, because in CPU there is a hard disk which helps to store all the data. So we call it CU control unit, MU memory unit, and ALU arithmetical logical unit. Okay. Now let me revise again. So first of all, computer works in three steps: input, process and output. ठीक है, तो ये आप लोग को ध्यान देना है बात. अच्छा, इसमें कुछ नेक्स्ट है, जैसे इसमें आप लोग को कुछ वर्क क्या करना है, जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज वो कंप्लीट कर लेने हैं. ठीक है, जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज वो कंप्लीट करोगे, इसमें एक्टिविटी आपको ज़्यादा दिया हुआ है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे इसके आगे का जो पार्ट है, जिसमें हम लोग सीखेंगे प्राइमरी मेमोरी एंड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी के बारे में. ठीक है, सो कंप्लीट योर वर्क, ऑल द एक्टिविटीज वर्क, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू रीड द चैप्टर. ठीक है, read the chapter carefully and do all the activities work and identify which are input device, output device or storage device. ठीक है, thank you.